How to upload your resume from your Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can simply upload the resume on your Google Drive. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up a Google Drive, and then beside your resume, you'll see three dots on the right hand side. Tap on it, and there you see share option. Tap on it and tap on share. Now here you can type in the mail of the person whom you want to send it to, or you can just like give the access to the link. Make sure that you tap on anyone with the link, and then tap on copy link and then paste it where you want to send it. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.